Hello, I'm Ms. Vuong and welcome back to my maths channel. Today we'll be looking at solving linear equations. We're going to use three methods. We're going to guess, check and improve. We're going to use algebraic method and then sketching it. So for the first method, guess, check and improve, how would we solve for x? So here we have 3x plus 2 equals 17 and we can guess. For example, we can try any random number such as x equals 1. And then we put it into the left side of the equation. So the left hand side would equal to 3 times 1 plus 2. And 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5. Now we've guessed a number, we've checked it, and we can see that it's not equal to the right hand side, which is 17. So we know that our guess is wrong. So now we have to improve. To improve that, we can see that 5 is too small compared to 17. So we're going to go a little bit higher. We could try, for instance, x equals 4. Let's try that. So again, so we guess, now we check, left-hand side, plug it in. 3 times 4 plus 2. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Again, it's not equal to 17, the right-hand side. So we checked and we were wrong. So now we have to improve. So I hope you can see what we're doing. So guess, check, and then if it's wrong, improve. So let's try a little bit bigger this time, maybe x equals 5. So again, left-hand side, we're checking 3 times 5 plus 2. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17, which is equal to the right-hand side. So we're good. We know that the solution is x equals 5. So that's a guess, check and improve method. Sometimes you might get lucky and guess the right number straight away, but you also always have to check. Let's do the second method, algebraically. How would we explain this? Well, 3x is 3 bunches of x, and x is an unknown amount, plus 2, so plus 1, 1, is equal to 17. So here I'm trying to represent it with this diagram to help you see that the left side, the length of the left side is same as the length of the right side. How would we solve this algebraically? Well, we can see that we can get rid of 2 and chop off 2 from both lines. So we can do 3x, get rid of 2 from both sides means minus 2 on both sides. We would get 17 minus 2 on the other side. So the top will be just the 3x, and 17 minus 2, the bottom will be 15. So now the next thing we can see to figure out what x is, to simply divide by 3. So we divide both sides by 3, we'll get rid of the 3 on the left, and we get 15 divided by 3 is 5. So x is equal to 5. So solving algebraically, we're using the inverse operation. If you forgot an inverse operation, you might want to click on the little eye in the corner, it will take you to that video. So the inverse of adding 2 is minus 2. The inverse of multiplying by 3 is dividing by 3. And thirdly, we can solve the same questions using a graph. So the question in your test or the book might read, use the graph of y equals 3x plus 2 to solve for 3x plus 2 equals 17. Or in other words, it's when y is 17. So now we sketch. So here we have y equals 3x plus 2, and you can check 2 is our y-intercept right there. 3x means we're going up 3 and across 1. So this is the line y equals 3x plus 2. To solve for when y is 17, we simply look for y equals 17, which is up here. And then we look for what x is, which is 5. So you can see that the answer is the same as the previous two examples because it's the same question, but we've solved it in 3 different ways. So read the question carefully and solve according to the method it's asking you to use. So to recap, we've done the guess, check and improve method, where we guess what x could be and then check the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and if it wasn't equal, we went back and guessed again until the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, then we knew that the x value that we guessed was correct. Secondly, we used the algebraic method where we found the inverse operation of each step to solve for x. And lastly, just now we found the graph method of solving, where we sketched and we read the graph and found the x value. So that's it for a really quick video. You might want to go back and try the examples yourself and see if you can get the same answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.